Let's look at this question. In a triangle PQR, PQ is 5, PR is 7 and PQR is 8. If point S is on the circumscribed circle of the triangle such that PS bisects angle QPR, then the ratio of PS is to RS is. So let us first draw the circle here. So this is our triangle where PS bisects angle P. So S is going to be somewhere here and these two angles are going to be equal. Now what we have to find is the ratio of PS is to SR. So PQ is given to us as 5, PR is given to us as 7 and QR is given to us as 8. Now from angle bisector theorem what we can say is PQ by Q, let this point be T. From angle bisector theorem what we can say is PQ by QT is going to be equal to PR by RT. From this we can find the ratio of QT and RT, which would come out to be nothing but RT by QT is going to be equal to 7 by 5. So 8 is going to be divided into 7 is to 5. So QT is going to be nothing but 8 upon 12 into 5. Or what we can write this as 40 by 12 or 10 by 3. So QT becomes 10 by 3. Similarly, TR will be 14 by 3. Now, if you look carefully, angle from the same segment in the circle are always equal. So angle Q is going to be equal to angle S because angle from the same segment are always equal. Angle QPS is given to us as equal to angle SPR. So what we can say is triangle PQT is going to be similar to triangle PSR, or what we can write is PQ upon QT is going to be equal to PS upon SR, and this is the ratio what we need. So PQ upon QT is going to be nothing but 5 divided by 10 by 3, or what we can write this as, this will be 2, so 3 by 2 is going to be the ratio of PS upon SR. So our answer becomes 3 by 2.